Hi, once again you're welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony. In this series, we'll be looking at how to add decimal numbers. Children, they are always confused on where to place the decimal number, whether it comes to addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. One thing is simple. Once you observe the decimal point, it will be easy for you to solve. Okay, the first number, we have so many examples here, and we have number 1 as 64.05 plus 8.2 plus 212.312. Let's add this number. Follow me as I take you along. Now, we are going to pick the first number, which is 64.05. Now, to write the second number, the first thing a child needs to do is pick the decimal point and place it right under where the first decimal point is. That's the first thing the child needs to do. The child should be guided and should carry this decimal point. Okay, let me carry it and place it right under this place. Now, by my left hand side, I only have 8. So follow and write 8 next, just directly below the number under it. Then the next one is 2 by my right hand side. You write 2 right to the next number. I can see a space here, I can see a space here. I can still fill in with 0 and fill in with 0. Okay, the next number is 212.312. Like I said before, the first thing to do is to pick the decimal number. Let it be placed right under the others. Make sure that all the decimal points are in the same line. Then by my left hand side, I have 2. I'll write 2. Then I have 1. Look at the way I'm moving towards my left. The next number I have 2. I will shift and write 2. For my right hand side, after decimal point, I have 3. I'll write 3. Then the next one I have 1. Then I have 2. I will shift and write 2. So here, there's nothing here, there's nothing here. You can tell the child to fill in with the 0. Fill the spaces with what? 0. So the number will look balanced. We'll now draw our line and write our addition sign. Okay, remember in addition or subtraction, you always start from the right hand side. The first number we have 0 plus 0 plus 2. It will give us 2. 5 plus 0 plus 1. It will give us 6. The next one we have 0 plus 2 plus 3. It will give us 5. We write our 5. Make sure the answers are written in the same way, straight line. Then the next thing is to drop our decimal point, following the same line. Look at my decimal point. In the same line with others, we have 4 plus 8. It will give us 12. Then 12 plus 2, it will give us 14. We have 4. Carry 1. We carry our 1 up there. So we have 1 plus 6. It will give us 7 plus 0. It will still give us 7 plus 1. It will give us 8. We have 8. Then we have 0 plus 0 plus 2. It will give us 2. So our answer is 284.562. This is our answer for number 1. Okay, let's quickly look at number 2, which is 213.65 plus 11.101 plus 2.2. Like I told you before, the first thing is to do is to write the first number as is given to you. Okay, let's write the first number as is given to us. We have 213.65. Now the next thing is to do, like I said before, pick the decimal point and write it or place it right in the same line with the one you have written before. As you can see, my decimal point and the same line with the one I've written before. And the first thing to do is look at by your left hand side. My first number is 1. Let it be written next number under the next number, which is 3. The next number is 1 again. I'll still write it under the next number, which is 1. By my right hand side, I have 1 again. I'll write it right under the 6. Then followed by 0, I'll write it right under 5. then followed by 1. I will shift and write 1. There is a space here. I can fill it with 0. There is a space here. I can fill it with 0. Next is 2.2. First thing to do, like I told you, always carry the decimal point first and place it right under the same line with others. Then by your left hand side, pick 2 and write it next to the next number. Then by my right hand side, I have 2 here. I'll write it here. What happened to these spaces? Always fill them with 0 to avoid confusion. I'll fill here with 0. I'll fill here with 0. Then I'll draw my line and write my addition sign. Okay, 0 plus 1 plus 0, it will give us 1. 5 plus 0 plus 0, it will give us 5. 6 plus 1, it will give us 7. And 7 plus 2, it will give us 9. Now, I will drop my decimal point in the same line. In the same line like others. Okay, I'll go over to the next number, which is 3 plus 1, it will give us 4. And 4 plus 2, it will give us 6. I'll write my 6. Then 1 plus 1, it is 2. Plus 0, it is still 2. I'll write my 2. Then next thing is 2 plus 0 plus 0. It will give us 2. And my answer is 226.951. Okay, my viewers, I would like you to try number 3 and number 4. And please, send in your answer in my comment section. Please, don't forget to like, share, and send it to any person, anybody or any child that is struggling with addition of decimal number. I believe you. I believe me, the child will find it easy and simple. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye-bye.